Hey y'all, good morning. It's another gorgeous day in Houston, and I figured we'd eat breakfast outside today. So I'm getting ready to make some pumpkin spice French toast on the Blackstone. I'm gonna put the recipe for this at the end of the video for y'all. I have 3 of my burners set to high. Once I get it heated up for a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on like a medium low heat, and then add some butter. I have the heat where I want it. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this butter. Get all this surface buttered up. Come back here. It'll run away. And give this a stir and dip my bread in there and get that on the grill. I'm gonna get a couple of slices in there. Oh my gosh, if y'all could smell this. Oh, get these down. It smells absolutely amazing outside. Fall is for sure in the air. Give these a flip. Ooh, that one's a little bit crispy. I went ahead and lowered my heat, and I added a little bit more butter to the other side of the French toast. All right, these are ready to come off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my fire off. I'm gonna get some of this Land O'Lakes pumpkin spice butter on top of them. Come on. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top of my husband's. The top, it wouldn't come out the top. Some maple syrup on mine. Some orange juice. And there you have it, pumpkin spice French toast on the Blackstone. Y'all come eat.